Well, good day. It's Robert again from Texas. It's good to be with you today and on this little video training. The subject today is a great subject because it can really make your business so much easier and a joy, or it can make it a drudgery. It's up to you. And the acronym is this. It's called SINALOA. S-I-N-A-L-O-A. SINALOA. What it represents, it means safety in numbers and law of averages. Safety in numbers, law of averages. First part, safety in numbers. It means talking to enough people to in your marketing or sales business. As you know, most of you know, we're in network marketing, so the number game is a crucial part of our business. And law of averages means for X number of people you speak with, a certain percent of them will seriously consider your product or service, and then a percent of them will actually look at your product or service or business, and then a percent of them will actually enroll, and then a percent of them will actually stay with you long term to create massive success. So it's definitely knowing those numbers, and bear in mind, be real about it as well, about the process of developing a skill set. If you're brand new to your industry or business, you're going to more than likely have to play a much bigger numbers game to get the same results versus somebody who's a veteran at your business who can talk to a smaller group of people and get the same results. So just embrace that and realize it just takes playing the numbers as well. So case in point, Joy and I moved to our latest venture, which we've grown very successfully. We moved to a brand new town, didn't really have a big market that we already knew. We went out to the cold market, the new market. My numbers, for example, I spoke to right around 15 people per day. That's about 70 per week, 5 days a week, and roughly my numbers were about 2 enrollments per week. So what that tells me that if I spoke to 70 people, roughly 7 of them, or 1 out of 10, would seriously look at my product or service. And then out of those 7, about 3 or 4 of them would actually look at my product or service, and then 1, actually 2 of those would actually enroll and become a customer or business partner. So I knew my numbers, but I spoke to enough people to find ones that were positive, they had energy, and my business soared as a result of that. So just know your numbers. And case in point, or bear this in mind, if tomorrow and the next day you go out and talk to 4 people max, and those 4 individuals happen to be pretty negative people, you might have the perception at the end of those 2 days that everybody on the planet, everybody out there is negative, nobody wants my product or service. Nothing could be further from the truth. The reality is, if you'd spoke to 10 people tomorrow, maybe 7 or 8 or 10 the next day, you would find 1, 2, 3, even 4 people who are very positive, equally excited about your product or service, and they'd be willing to look at what you had to offer. And again, a certain number of them would be acting on enrolling in in your product or service. So just know the numbers and realize your business is so much easier to find success in if you talk to enough people to find the positive, high energy, motivated people out there. Remember, again, we don't motivate people, we find motivated people. Call to action. Play enough numbers to find the positive, high energy people, and your business it'll soar. You'll have massive success. Thank you.